Now that we have understood how strategic decisions are made in a business, let us now look at the tactical and operational decision making. To make these decisions, managers rely on data and use analytical approaches in decision making. In today's businesses, massive amount of data is being generated. Along with that, advancement in analytical methodologies and computing power has led to data-driven decision making. Business analytics is a scientific process of transforming data into insights for making better decisions. There are 4 steps of analytical maturity. The first one and the bottom one is descriptive analytics. The second is diagnostic analytics. The third one is predictive analytics. And the top or the fourth one is prescriptive analytics. These are like stairs, and one has to move from bottom to top without jumping any step in between. It is not recommended to do predictive analytics before doing descriptive or diagnostic analytics. Similarly, it is not recommended to do prescriptive analytics before doing predictive, diagnostic, or descriptive analytics. The bottommost or the first step is descriptive analytics. In this step, businesses tries to find out what happened. So, using data, business analyst tries to find out what happened. For example, let's assume that you owns a chocolate business in India. Now you have noticed that the sales or the revenue suddenly jumps up in the month of August and September. Noticing this jump from the data falls under descriptive analytics. You are able to find out what happened. This is descriptive analytics. Now the next step is diagnostic analytics. You are trying to find out why did it happen. Now let's assume that the massive jump in sales of chocolate is due to the festive season in India that start in month of August and September due to the festival of Raksha Bandhan. Now this diagnosis falls under the step of diagnostic analytics. You are trying to find out why something has happened. Now the third step is predictive analytics. In this step, you are trying to find out what is likely to happen. So, in our example, as a chocolate company, you have seen a jump in sales in month of August and September due to festive gifting. Now, what will happen in the month of November or October when the festive season is at its peak in India? Obviously, the sales are going to grow further. So this analysis falls under predictive analytics. From your previous data, you are predicting what is likely going to happen. The next step is prescriptive analytics. Here, your goal is to merge the analytics part with your strategy part. So suppose your business goal is to achieve maximum sale. As a chocolate company, what will you do to achieve this goal? You know that festive season is coming and there will be a huge demand of chocolates for gifting purposes. To cater that demand, you can create gifting packs of chocolate. This comes under prescriptive analytics. Here, you are using the information that you have derived from the data and you are merging it with your goals of the organization. So these are the 4 stages of data analytics. I have used a very simple example to explain you all of these four stages, and that example may not be the best description of these stages, but I can assure you that it is the simplest. So, with the knowledge of these stages of analytical maturity, now let's look into how analytics is being used in different sectors and departments.